Welcome to Out of the Box EA. In today's episode, we will discuss about the CORS policy. Have you ever tried calling an API from a web browser and got a CORS error? Here, CORS means cross origin resource sharing. It is a browser security feature that blocks the web pages from calling APIs on different domains. Today we will configure our post API to allow browser-based application to call it by adding the correct course headers. This is essential for any modern web applications. Let's deep dive into it. Let me quickly explain about course. When a web browser make a request to an API on a different domain, the browser first check if the API allow cross origin request. For example, if a website is on shop.example.com and your API is on api.sap.com, those are different origins. The browser blocks these by default for security reasons. To allow it, the API must send back special headers telling that the browser, yes, I allow the request for both domains. These are called course headers. Without them, your web application simply cannot call the API from the browser, even if the API works perfectly in the Postman. Let me show you the HTML script which I have prepared for this episode. Here, these are the important things we need to update. One is proxy URL. This one we got it from Post API, and the API key. This one we received from Developer Hub from application where we have created the key secret. Go back to the SAP integration suite. Click on configure. Under configure, click on APIs. Under API proxy, look for Post API. Click on policies. Click on edit. In the left hand side, under proxy endpoint point, click on preflow. In the left hand side, you can see a number of policies. Look for mediation policies. Under look for assign a policy, assign message. Click on plus button. Enter the name, policy name. Let me enter first course head. Okay. Stream type should need to be select outgoing response. Click on add. Here we need to update few things in the XML editor. This here we need to change whole XML. I prepared sample. Let me update in the XML editor. Here we can see access control allow origin star means incoming headers. Access control method type of the methods we are allowing, and access control allow headers what type of the headers we are content type API key authorization, and access control maximum age. So we are inserting everything in the header format. Once it has been updated, click on update, click on save, and click on click to deploy. Yes. Here we can see post API successfully deployed. Go back to the web browser, click on call post API. Here we can see fail to fetch, check browser console. Once you log in, once you click on the HTML script, you redirect into the web browser. Here you can see call post API. Click on this button. Here we can see successfully connected. Now click on the right click on the inspect. Click on the network. Here click once again call post API. Here we can see under the name, click on the V1. Click on the headers section. Here we can see request URL, request method, access control allow equal to true, and header API key and what is the method. Everything has been successfully generated with using the CORS policy. Now go back to the SAP integration suite. In our next episode, we will explore the developer portal where external developers can discover, test, and subscribe to APIs. Thanks everyone watching the video. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. Bye.